Hi everybody, happy Friday. I'm sorry I haven't done a video in a while. I've been super busy at work, and honestly I haven't gotten that many more or any new trades. But I thought that I would do a recap of the week and show you where I ended up with some of the ones that we opened earlier. First thing I'm looking at is my Great Britain pound CAD. And as you can see, let's see, I opened this way back here where that little arrow is. And it was a sell. And it came down to here. So I had a profit of 233 pips. Now, I did close this one today. Two reasons, well, actually 3 reasons. The first reason is because my exit indicator, BBPRC, it's not crossed yet, but it's just about to cross. The second reason is it's Friday afternoon, so I wanted to close the trade before the weekend. And the third reason is, as you can see, I turned on my Heikin-Ashi candles here. And the Heikin-Ashi candle had changed color. It went from a downward trend to an upward trend. So given all 3 of those reasons, I decided, yep, I'm just going to take those 233 pips and close it. Same thing with my Great Britain Kiwi trade. Bring that one up. So as you can see, I opened the trade here, right here. And it is down, or up 239 pips when I closed it. And again, same reasons. This BBPRC is just about, it's getting very close. It hasn't crossed yet, but it's getting very close. It's Friday afternoon. This trade's been open 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7 days. And I'm up 239 pips, and my Heikin-Ashi candle here is turning from red to white. So given all those reasons, I said, yep, I'll take the 239 pips. Thank you very much, and close it out. My Euro Great Britain trade, where is that at? Okay, it actually ended up closing itself. You can see that I had taken the trade here, I guess yesterday actually, must have been a newer trade. It went up, hit the take profit, and then came right back down to break even. So I ended up getting 1 trade with the take profit, and I'm sorry I don't remember how much that take profit was. Oh, I can maybe measure, hold on. So that was a take profit. It only looks like it was about 43 pips, and I don't know why so small, but probably because the ATR was lower, and then the second trade broke even. So that stopped itself out, and the last one I have running is USD Canadian dollar, and it is still actually on. Okay, here is where I took the trade right here. Right here you can see. And I hit my first take profit, which was here, right there where that little blue line is. And as you can see, my second trade is still on, and my stop loss is now at break even. I decided to let this one continue. It is currently up, it looks like 175 pips. I decided to let this one continue because the BBPRC currently is not anywhere near the line yet, and the Heikin-Ashi candles had not changed. So I just decided to hold this one, so I will be holding this one through the weekend. Well, there you have it. That's an update. So next week, we'll see how this one does, and we will have a nice, fresh week of trading. I hope you guys are all doing well, and of course, staying safe. Talk to you next time.